I did not. I didn't expect them to be this long. Hi everyone, how are you? Thank you for hanging out with me. I know my makeup may look a little crazy, but I just opened another box and I tried it on and I figured I have to get this done so it may look a little cuckoo and that's okay. But my friend Clara Barrera had free boxes to give away for FabFitFun, and what that means is you pay $5. It was either $5 or $6 for a box worth supposedly $75. And all you have to do, if you don't want to get charged for the next quarterly box, which is what this is, you just cancel it. And that's what I did. I used to get FabFitFun. I had it for years. And for financial reasons, I had to give it up. I don't know what it was, but I loved this subscription. Each quarter was themed for the season. My favorite was the winter box. Sometimes you got mass stuff, but it was always exciting. It started out at $50. I believe it's up to now $60. And even though it's quarterly, that's still like a lot of money to spend. But so to try something again for the $5 or $6, I thought it was a lot of fun and I'm excited. I can tell you that when I did have the FabFitFun box, used to be able to choose certain items, etc., from certain categories, and now if you're an annual subscriber, I think you get to choose your own items from every single category. And I used to get their mystery bags, which for me were always amazing. So let's see what they now have, because it's been quite a while since I've had it, and I want to see what their $75 is worth here. And that was completely backwards and didn't make any sense whatsoever. And oh my goodness, what is my bun doing right now? No, but like what what is going on? What is happening up here? There's quite a few things in here. I'm kind of excited. It's generic. It says nothing. What is this? Oh, is this like a plant thingy? Wait. How does that... It says Momma Pots. It does have a hole in the bottom and it has this little thing. I mean, the inside is like a little off. I don't know if you can see. Do you see how there's like the outside sprayed here and it kind of goes around? And then you got kind of like a big splotch in there. I don't care. Nobody's going to see that part. But I actually like this. I had never heard of this company before, but it looks like they have a lot of different products. And the one that I got is called the Gemstone Collection. And as you can see, they have different sizes, different colors and styles. The one that I received is, I think, on the smaller side, and that's $28. And then they have one larger in the same cylinder, and that one is $38. I really like it, and I'm happy I got it. Look at how pretty this is. I got an African violet, which is one of my mother's... Oh no, I broke a leaf. Wow, I was going to say it was one of my mother's favorite plants, and now I'm destroying it. It's okay, she's fine, but I had bought this before I got this little planter here. I'm still laughing at that. It's perfectly, I think she's actually grown. She's thrived in here. And then it's got that little thing on the bottom so that the water doesn't like collect and get, I don't know, moldy. Either way too much of an explanation, but that's all to say that I like it. The plant is fine. She'll recover. I'm off center here, and yeah, that's it. Oh boy. All right, there's only 4 things in here. I was a little too excited. But this is from P.O.Box. I guess that's the name of it. And they are sweater socks. And they're pretty. I'm hoping they're not too tight. Oh, these are soft. And those... I'm sorry, I didn't expect them to be this long. Those look like thigh highs. What is the... Okay, so of course I have to do my research. I scanned the QR code on the socks and it brought me to a page that said it's a special collaboration between P.O.Box and FabFitFun. So those socks are not sold anywhere on the website. They do have a lot of cute ones and they look really nice. I think in the range from about $7.50 to up to $16. They also have slippers and accessories and looking like some fuzzy kind of, pajamas and stuff. But I think they're really nice. They're just really kind of long. Okay, the next thing I have is, can you see? Some Dr. Lab, and it says lash and brow serum. Ooh, consciously science based. I've never heard of Dr. B Lab before. Oh, okay. It looks just like the Anastasia. No, the Anastasia is a paddle-like thing. I'm going to try this. I don't need it for my lashes because of my glaucoma medication, but I'm sure as heck going to try it on my brows. Cool. That's a fun thing to get also. And the last thing in here is from Sachajuan, and it is Heat Protectant Hair Cream. Well, I'm not going to complain about hair products, that is for sure. I've heard of the brand. I've probably used the brand before, and getting to be the time that I can't blow dry my hair anymore. I don't think it has, wait, it may have like a sunscreen smell. I'm not really sure, but I am not happy to have it. Nope. I am actually happy to have it. I love that planter, if it is indeed a planter. I love the socks, even though they're interesting. This I'm going to be excited to try, and I love this. So for my $5 or $6, you're kidding? I think this is a fantastic thing to get. As I said, I really do miss the box, but I'm glad that I was able to get these products to try. So thank you, Clara, for sharing the link with me. I'd be interested to know your thoughts. This is going to be a very quick video, but I love you guys. I'm so grateful for you. I want to thank you for hanging out. I hope you have an amazing night or amazing day. I haven't said that in a long time. Whenever it is, I hope it's awesome. I love you, and I'll see you soon. That came too quick. Bye.